Got it figured out. There's number 6. We're slaying them. In my book. 6 fish are slaying them. Yeah, you'd think you can catch one. You're using the same exact bait as me. Number 8. On the Senko. Oh, this Senko has lasted me 6 fish. This is the best life a Senko's ever had, I'd say. And it's still working, somehow. Well, I ended up catching 8 fish today. I caught all of them but one off of the edge of Hydrilla with a Senko. Thanks for watching, guys.